Hey everyone, it's Miss O'Neill here and we are getting ready for a reading lesson today. I'm really excited for the story that we're reading today because our reading is about Earth Day. Earth Day is going to happen this year, you guys, during our April vacation. It's going to happen on Wednesday, April 22nd. You might know about Earth Day, you might not know about Earth Day, but that's totally fine because we are going to be talking about Earth Day together right now. How special is that? So you'll need your reading paper in front of you. You are going to need something to write with. You're going to need 4 color markers. Ooh, they're all tangled up here. You're going to need a blue, a red, a green, and a yellow, but you know that I don't have a yellow. Awesome. Cool beans. So let's go ahead and start with reading the story first. The first time I read it out loud to you. The second time you read it inside of your head. The third time you and I take turns reading it together. Okay? Let's go ahead and read this story. Earth Day. Earth Day is a holiday that many people celebrate each year on April 22nd. It is a day to celebrate our planet and remember how to take care of it. There are many things you can do to help take care of the earth. One important way is to recycle. Paper, plastic, and cans are some things that can be recycled instead of put in the trash. Another way to take care of the earth is to conserve water. You can save water by turning the faucet off when you are brushing your teeth. Saving energy is also important. Turn off lights and fans when you are not using them. Too many cars can pollute the air, so riding your bike or walking can help keep the air clean. Celebrating Earth Day helps us remember how special the earth is and how we can take care of it. Awesome, way to go. Choose your favorite color and give yourself that first check mark. So there are 2 things I'm going to talk about really quickly before you pause the video and read it on your own. Number 1, the word conserve. It's a big word. I'm not going to tell you what it means because we are going to talk about what it might mean at the bottom, okay? And number 2, I'm not sure if you are thinking about it, but this sentence here, turn off lights and fans when you are not using them, made me think of when we were in school. One person was always the energy saver, right? That person would turn off the lights as our class was leaving the room to go to maybe gym or Spanish or anywhere else in the building. Is there anything else that you can think of? Maybe you were reminded of something that you do at home when you were reading the story. Just think about that for a bit. We'll talk about it the next time I see you when we do like a Zoom meeting. Go ahead and pause this video. You have the paper in front of you, so go ahead and read the story inside of your head or quietly to yourself. Awesome, amazing job. You unpause the video, so that means you are done reading inside of your head. You and I, my friend, are going to read to each other. Dora the Explorer style. I'll start a sentence, you read the next sentence. Then I'll read a sentence, then you read a sentence. Cool beans? Awesome sauce. Let's go ahead and get started. Earth Day is a holiday that many people celebrate each year on April 22nd. There are many things you can do to help take care of the earth. Paper, Plastic and cans are some things that can be recycled instead of put in the trash. You can save water by turning the faucet off when you are brushing your teeth. Turn off lights and fans when you are not using them. Celebrating Earth Day helps us remember how special the Earth is and how we can take care of it. Awesome. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself that last tally mark there. And let's go ahead and get started on our questions. So question number 1, the blue question. Grab your marker and your writing pencil. When is Earth Day? Oops, I guess I kind of wrote it up there, but when is Earth Day? Go back in the story, see if you can find the answer. When you find the answer in your story, you're going to underline where you found the answer in blue, okay? This is a magnet, by the way, in case you're wondering. And then you're going to take your pencil and write it down yourself. Go ahead and unpause the video when you're ready to move on. Can you tell that I live near a train? Awesome. Now we're going on to the red question. Red marker, red pencil, red crayon, doesn't really matter to me, and a pencil. What are 2 things that can be recycled? You're gonna find the answer inside of the story and underline it in red, okay? Awesome. When you are done with that, you are going to go ahead and write your answer just with your writing thing. And unpause when you're ready to move on to green. All right, super awesome, wonderful job. Now you're gonna grab your pencil and your green marker, crayon, pencil, doesn't matter to me. Our green question says, how does riding your bike instead of riding in a car help the earth? Oh, interesting question. How does riding your bike instead of riding in a car help the earth? Go ahead and see if you can find that answer in the story. Oops. And then, there we go. Awesome. Write it down in a pencil. Remember, it's totally, absolutely, positively okay to turn your paper around to the back and keep writing an answer if an answer doesn't fit on the 2 lines they give you. And unpause the video when you're ready for our thinking question over here. Awesome, you're ready for the thinking question. Our thinking question asks, tell 1 thing you will do this week to take care of the earth. Awesome, I love that question. Tell 1 thing you will do this week to take care of the earth. Let's see, the story gives us some ideas. You can recycle paper, plastic, or water. You can reuse some things, right? I know that I have a lot of old t-shirts that I don't really wear anymore. Maybe they don't fit, or maybe I just don't really like them anymore and I don't wear them a whole lot. So what I can do is I could donate them. Sometimes I also like to cut them up, and I like to make kind of a tug-of-war rope for Jake and turn it into a toy or something that, like a pillow, he could sleep on. You could save water by turning the faucet off when you are brushing your teeth. There are so many things that you can do. Think of 1 thing. Go ahead and put it down in the thinking question. When you're ready to go on to our very last yellow inference question, you can unpause the video. Okay, cool beans and some awesome sauce. You are ready for our last question. The last question here says, make an inference. Remember, an inference is a smart guess using our 2nd grade brains. What does conserve mean? Remember, I told you we were going to come back to that? So let's read that sentence one more time. Another way to take care of the earth is to conserve water. So what I want you to do is read the sentence out loud 3 more times. I know that sounds like a lot, but hear me out. You're going to read the sentence 3 more times, and each time you read it, you're going to use a different word from here. So you can use you can use not waste, or you can use clean. And you are going to use your writing thing to circle what answer makes the most sense. What answer makes the most sense, okay? And then when you're done with that, or before, doesn't really matter to me, I'm not your parent, you can go ahead and use your marker, yellow, even though mine is like a green, and underline where you found clues to let you know what conserve means. Okay, awesome. Super awesome job. I love you a lot. I miss you a bunch, and I will see you later.